What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today and what's going on in Dogecoin. We got some pretty big stuff going on. Anyways, look at this. The Dogecoin bears in control 80% of the 24-hour market control. But look at this. We have some good support here. So we didn't even hit that green area down there of our supply and demand. Anyways, we're going to go over all of this today. Hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go right over Dogecoin. So as you can see here, let's take off the indicators really quick. So you can see we're doing a little bit of like consolidation. I call it the mini consolidation. So we were right here at the resistance of 18 cents, but we couldn't break out of it. So right at the end of the consolidation, we just start going on a downtrend because we couldn't break out of that resistance. We didn't have enough momentum to break out. So now we're slowly but surely trending down to the supply and demand area as this indicators will load. So as you can see here, 14 cents is what we're going to end up seeing next in Dogecoin. So we are at 1683 right now, and this little tiny green area shows supply and demand here at Dogecoin. So the green areas are supply and demand showing more demand. Red areas all the way up here, supply and demand showing less demand. So right now we have lots of demand for Dogecoin at 16 cents. So there's a good amount of demand. Well, not lots of demand, but a good amount of demand. So we don't have enough demand though. Like if we see crypto continuing to go down, if we see Bitcoin continue to go down, Bitcoin is doing some recovery, Ethereum is doing recovery, all the coins are doing recoveries. But if we start seeing more FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the crypto market, we start seeing more regulations, we start seeing more taxes on crypto, we start seeing more infrastructure bills, more variance. If we start seeing all this craziness in the market again, then we're definitely going to see something bad happen. And what is that bad thing that'll happen? Is Dogecoin going down, along with crypto, along with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Cardano, all that good stuff would go down if Dogecoin, or not if Dogecoin, if we continue to get more FUD in the market. So right now, what I do want to mention here is it's almost evident that we reached 14 cents. Now, I'm only saying that because I just feel like Bitcoin's about to crash again. Like this happens every single time in crypto. We get a flash crash, right? And then after the flash crash comes some mini downtrends, some mini crashes. And then after that, we get another big flash crash. And then after that, we get some smaller downtrends on the market, and then usually another bigger crash. So typically it takes like a couple crashes in order to set the market off onto another uptrend or like big momentum. So I want to show this with Bitcoin. So over here, you see we ended up taking a dip. Then boom, we started to come back and recover. We took a bigger dip, and then boom, we started to come back and recover, and then we took another dip there. So I'm kind of predicting something like similar here. So look, we take this dip, we do some recoveries, we take another dip, we do some recoveries, and then we take another. We're at the second one right now. So right now we could recover. We could end up doing some recovery and then breaking back down. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of his financial advice. This is just kind of, speculation at this point. So anyways, anything can happen with Dogecoin at this point. So we are up 2.2% in the last 24 hours. That's still pretty good. Shout out to the whole Doge army for making that possible. Now we are down 5% in the last 7 days, which is not that bad, especially when you compare it to a lot of the other cryptos in the last 7 days. The last 7 days, we had a lot of, losses in a lot of different cryptos other than Dogecoin. Like Dogecoin is one of the cryptos that is doing fairly well, I would say, in the last 7 days. Like, look at Solana down 15% in the last 7 days. Look at Terra down 22% in the last 7 days. I mean, Dogecoin being only down 5% isn't too bad, when you look at all the other stuff. So you got Axie Infinity down 12%. You got Cosmos down 13%. So Dogecoin still doing some fairly good numbers here. So anyways, yes, 14 cents coming very soon. Now let's go over some other stuff that is going on with Dogecoin. So despite price stagnation of Dogecoin miners surpassed $1 billion in revenue. So even though there's all this even though there's all this stagnation in the price, even though the price is being very still, we're still getting lots of money flowing through the Dogecoin whales. So not the whales, the Dogecoin miners, which are probably also whales as well. But yeah, the Dogecoin miners are making big money on Dogecoin. So over here, according to latest data by analytics firm Coinmetrics, total all-time miner revenue surpassed $1 billion for the first time on November 13th, indicating persistent activity within the joke coins community. So Dogecoin is really growing. Miners are going ham on Dogecoin. They're making Doge go big time right now. So promising metrics. These are definitely very promising metrics here. So it says over here, the surge in miner revenue also coincides with the jump in the price of Doge in the wider market. So as it noticed, unparalleled price appreciation during April and May, its increasing popularity has undoubtedly been seen as a huge profit avenue by these miners. So resulting in this significant increase in activity. So anyways, we could see some more increase in activity for Dogecoin mining. But yeah, Dogecoin miners are going ham right now. They're getting lots of money off Dogecoin. So I definitely want to see more big stuff going on for Dogecoin in the future. So let's move on to the next thing here. Look at this. We are still trending with Dogecoin, literally. Maybe not trending on Google Trends, but in China, we're trending. Inside Chinese markets, we are trending. Hodl noodle. You can literally get a noodle cup, like a ramen noodle cup, but it's called Hodl noodle, and it's Doge themed. This Doge theme has some Bitcoin on there, but the main theme is Dogecoin. So that's pretty cool that they're really promoting Dogecoin out there inside China. So yeah, shout out to the Chinese Doge holders out there promoting Dogecoin, sending Dogecoin straight to the moon. But yeah, this is pretty big for Dogecoin. People will probably look at this as a joke, but nah, this is in the Chinese market. So this is not a joke. They really go ham with the Dogecoin out there. But yeah, moving on to the whales. Look at this. I spotted this and I was like, okay, we have whales doubling down on Dogecoin. But this right here, this looks either like an exchange doubling down on Dogecoin, or I don't know, because remember, Robinhood's going to be doing Dogecoin wallets. So I don't know. There's all these transactions and they're literally all the same number. So right here, you can see this is at $16,890,421. $16,890,421. $16,890,421. And they're buying more and more and more every single day. So I don't know what's going on here. I think these whales right here that we're actually looking at, I think these are all the same wallet. Like it could be Robinhood testing out wallets. I don't know. They're all the same. And then when you look down at all these other ones, like you can still see the same inside of all of these wallets as well. So scrolling down and looking at this one, you can see they also have the same amount in all these wallets. 15,933,000. 15,933,017, 15,933,017, 15,933,017, all the way down here to this 100th wallet. And they've been buying Dogecoin every single day, doing the same amount of purchases on each and every single wallet. So this is definitely a bullish signal here, showing that more whales are buying into Dogecoin. More whales are doubling down on Dogecoin, looking for those profits inside Dogecoin. So I definitely see this as positive news, very good news for Dogecoin. So shout out to the Doge Army for making this happen. But anyways, looking at some of the bigger whales here, this whale here came in $62.1 million earlier today. So we're getting a lot of whales doubling down and putting more money inside Dogecoin. So that's $62.1 million. This whale came in earlier today at $16.7 million, now 16.8. But yeah, we're getting a lot of these Dogecoin whales putting their money in Dogecoin and making those profits. This Dogecoin whale has been buying in progressively. So it's not like they're just buying in, selling out, doing day trades and swing trades. No, like some of them are actually buying and holding Dogecoin. This Dogecoin whale came in at the first of this month, and now this Dogecoin whale is still buying more Dogecoin. 4.6 million Dogecoins yesterday that they bought, or $4.6 million in Dogecoin. Now, this is part of the wallets that I was showing. They had multiple wallets with all this big money. So this one was a purchase today of 16.7 million. Now at 16.8 million, they could buy a nice little condo. But anyways, a lot of these whales are doing the same purchases, same transactions. So I'm definitely thinking it's an exchange testing out some Dogecoin wallets. Hint, hint, Robinhood. Could be Robinhood. I don't know. Maybe it's all speculation. But anyways, that's all I really got for you all today. I just wanted to go over that good stuff that we got going on in Dogecoin. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.